Simple sentence. A simple sentence contains only one independent clause. It doesn't have any dependent clauses. It has a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. Doesn't mean that it has only one subject and one verb, because a simple sentence can have a compound subject, a compound verb, and compound subject and verb. Examples: Amanda works at the restaurant. This simple sentence has only one subject, which is Amanda, and one verb, which is works. The second one: Amanda works and studies at the same time. This sentence contains one subject, which is Amanda, and compound verbs, works, and studies. The third one: Amanda and Clara work together at the restaurant. This sentence contains a compound subject, which are Amanda and Clara, and a single verb, which is work. The last one: Amanda and Clara work and study together. This is an example of a compound subject and verb. We have Amanda and Clara for our subjects, and work and study for our verbs. Next example: Mr. Jackson plays with his grandchildren. This simple sentence has only one subject, which is Mr. Jackson, and one verb, which is plays. Another one: Mr. and Mrs. Jackson play with their grandchildren. This sentence contains compound subjects, Mr. and Mrs. Jackson, and a single verb, which is play. Mr. Jackson plays and reads stories to his grandchildren. We have here a single subject, which is Mr. Jackson, and compound verbs, which are plays and reads. The last one: Mr. and Mrs. Jackson play and read stories to their grandchildren. This is another example of a compound subject and verb. We have Mr. and Mrs. Jackson for our subjects, and play and read for our verbs. For our exercise, make simple sentences out of the given jumbled words. The first one: me, gave, some, Andy, and roses. The correct answer is Andy gave me some roses. Second one: came, mom, late, dad, and. The answer is Mom and Dad came late. The third one: cries, girl, the, shouts, and. The answer is the girl cries and shouts. The fourth one: sister, I, my, watched, shopped, movie, a, and. The answer is my sister and I shopped and watched a movie. The last one: Andrew, friends, are, and Blake. The answer is Blake and Andrew are friends, or Andrew and Blake are friends. Did you get them right?